Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Renita Young here to take you through today's market action. It was a week heavy on tech earnings, which included the Fed choosing to leave rates steady again and job numbers continuing to show their strength. Now, when it comes to the major U.S. indices, we saw new all-time highs to close out the week. The Dow, S&P 500, and NASDAQ 100 all closed the week up by more than 1%, but the small-cap Russell 2000 ended in the red. Now, taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the week, 9 of the 11 S&P 500 sectors ended the week higher, with consumer discretionary up by the most, roughly 3.8%, followed by consumer staples. To the downside, energy fell 1% for the week, and real estate lost 0.5%. Looking at some stocks on the move, Meta soared to a fresh all-time high, rising more than 20% on Friday alone after earnings beat expectations. And for the first time ever, the social media giant introduced a dividend of 50 cents per share and increased its share buyback program by $50 billion. Analysts hiked their price targets on the stock as a result. Amazon shares rose 8% on the week to hit 2-year highs after also reporting earnings that beat expectations. AWS was in line with expectations and sales were strong. And Amazon also launched a new AI shopping assistant. And lastly, NVDA also saw gains in wake of Amazon and Meta's earnings on optimism for AI demand. During the week, reports said that NVIDIA is also producing new AI chips that'll comply with China export limits. Shares closed more than 8% higher for the week to rally to a new all-time high. And the stock has risen by 1/3 since the beginning of the year. Let's look at what to watch for next week. In data, on Monday, we'll see PMI composite and ISM services. Wednesday, we'll see MBA mortgage applications, followed by jobless claims on Thursday. And for earnings, Monday, we'll hear from Caterpillar and McDonald's. Tuesday, Spotify, Eli Lilly, Snap, Chipotle, and Ford report. Wednesday, we'll see earnings results from PayPal, Walt Disney, and Wynn Resorts. Then on Thursday, we'll hear from Pinterest, and finally Friday, PepsiCo will give its quarterly results. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, and remember to tune in 24/7 to SchwabNetwork.com.